Welcome to Harborview Grande 600, your serene oasis in Clearwater Beach, Florida. This beautifully appointed vacation condo is nestled in a secure gated community and offers a luxurious retreat with breathtaking panoramic views of Clearwater Bay. Covering approximately 1,850 square feet, this spacious 2006-built condo comfortably sleeps 8 across 3 distinct bedrooms. Tastefully decorated with Tommy Bahama-style rattan furnishings, this home offers a tranquil, beach-inspired setting for a perfect getaway. The living area features a comfortable rattan sofa and 3 chairs arranged around a cable-equipped TV, all set on sleek ceramic tile flooring. The large sliding doors lead onto a stunning balcony, offering unobstructed views of the bay and plenty of seating for everyone to take in the sunrise or sunset. Dining is a joy here with a Tommy Bahama-style rattan dining table seating 6 and 4 matching bar stools at the breakfast bar. Cook up a feast in the fully equipped kitchen boasting maplewood cabinets, gleaming granite countertops, and an array of modern appliances including a built-in microwave, refrigerator, stove, oven, dishwasher, coffee pot, blender, and toaster. Relax in the elegant master bedroom featuring a king-size bed, matching dresser and chair, TV with cable, and access to the balcony for a touch of the outdoors. The room also comes with a functional desk for your convenience. The ensuite bathroom is complete with 2 vanity sinks, granite countertop, garden tub, full shower, and a separate water closet for added privacy. second and third bedrooms each feature 2 full-size beds and a TV with cable, perfect for children or additional guests. A guest bathroom with a single sink vanity and a shower ensures everyone has their own space. Included amenities are a personal washer and dryer within the condo, wireless internet access for all your digital needs, and off-street private parking with additional guest parking available. Step outside to enjoy the heated pool and jacuzzi hot tub, or stroll down just 2 short blocks to sink your toes in the sandy beach. The condo's prime location is within walking distance to several restaurants, bars, and Pier 60, offering entertainment and dining options for everyone. Escape to Harborview Grande 600 for a vacation filled with comfort, convenience, and unforgettable views. We can't wait to welcome you to your new favorite beachside retreat in Clearwater Beach, Florida.